Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate Kartavya Path and unveil a statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at India Gate at 7 p.m. on Thursday. According to a statement by the Prime Minister's office, the move symbolizes a shift from erstwhile Rajpath being an icon of power to Kartavya Path being an example of public ownership and empowerment. Prime Minister will also unveil the statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at India Gate on the occasion. These steps are in line with Prime Minister's second Panch Pran for New India in Amrit Kal. Remove any trace of colonial mindset, the statement said. Over the years, Rajpath and adjoining areas of Central Vista Avenue had been witnessing pressure of increasing traffic of visitors, putting stress on its infrastructure. The PMO said that it lacked basic amenities like public toilets, drinking water, street furniture, and adequate parking space. Further, there was inadequate signage, poor maintenance of water features, and haphazard parking. Kartavya Path will exhibit beautified landscapes, lawns with walkways, added green spaces, refurbished canals, new amenity blocks, improved signages, and vending kiosks. Further, new pedestrian underpasses, improved parking spaces, new exhibition panels, and upgraded night lighting are some other features that will enhance the public experience.